In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your OneDrive. By the end, you'll know the quickest way to open your OneDrive folder on a Windows computer so you can get straight to your files. First, look toward the bottom of your screen for the taskbar. This is the strip that runs along the bottom in Windows. On the left or center, depending on your Windows version, you'll see a search box or a small magnifying glass icon. That's the search area you'll use. If you don't immediately see a text box, the magnifying glass is the same thing. Clicking it opens the search panel. Go ahead and click the search area to place your cursor there so Windows is ready for your query. Clicking here tells Windows you're about to look for an app, a folder, or a file on your computer. If you prefer using the keyboard, you can do this without the mouse. Press the Windows key on your keyboard, the one with the Windows logo. This opens the Start menu and puts the search field in focus right away. Either clicking the search area or pressing the Windows key gets you to the same place, so choose whichever feels more natural. Now, type OneDrive. As you type, Windows will show results in real time. You'll likely see a few different items, the OneDrive app and the OneDrive folder. For what we're doing, you want the OneDrive folder result. It often appears with a cloud icon and may include wording like personal or work, indicating which account it's tied to. The folder is what opens your files directly in File Explorer. Click the OneDrive folder result. File Explorer will open to your OneDrive root, where you'll see all the folders and files that are synced to your computer. You'll know you're in the right place if you see the OneDrive name in the address bar at the top, and you might notice small status icons next to files such as a cloud or a check mark, which indicates sync status. That's it. You located the search bar, opened it, typed OneDrive, and clicked the OneDrive folder to get into your files. From here, you can browse, open, or manage anything stored in your OneDrive. You'll also notice OneDrive listed in the left-hand sidebar of File Explorer, which is another indicator you're in the correct location the next time you open File Explorer. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, replay the steps as needed until they feel natural, and you'll be finding your OneDrive in seconds every time.